Welcome to today's fun and fast-paced English test. Can you pass this basic English quiz? It's full of little traps for even fluent speakers. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through 10 quick questions testing your grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation in tricky, fun ways. Question 1. What's the past tense of run? It's ran, not runned. Question 2. Is it less people or fewer people? The correct answer is fewer people because we use fewer with countable nouns. Next, what's the plural of child? It's children, not childs. Now, how do you pronounce colonel? Weirdly, it's pronounced colonel. English, right? Let's test homophones. What's the difference between there, and there? There is possessive. There means they are. And there is about a place. Is data singular or plural? Both can be correct depending on the context. How about the opposite of transparent? It's opaque or even unclear. Here's a tricky one. I've lived here since 5 years or for 5 years. The answer is 4. Now, how do you say Wednesday? It's pronounced Wednesday. Finally, complete this. If I, rich, I would travel the world. The right answer is were, not was. This is called the subjunctive mood. So, how many did you get right? Let us know in the comments and try challenging your friends too. For extra fun, write your own sentence using one of the confusing words from this quiz. And hey, what English series should we start next?